Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn a very simple AI tool that has it all, okay? Or we can say that has it nearly all, from text to image generation, from image to video generation. If you are fond of AI, this platform is an all-in-one platform. I've made a video about it recently on how to use it to generate some videos and some images, and I found some setbacks to it, but recently I noticed a lot of improvement as regards what they can do. And this particular AI we're talking about is called Prom AI. Okay, so to get to Prom, all you need is to come to your browser and just type in promai.pro and you'll be brought in over here. Of course, you have to log in with your username and password. You can log in with any of your accounts, be it a Facebook or thereabout. But then after logging in, you'll be landed here. Now, there's so many things to look into over here. There's so much inspirations that you can pick from as regards the ideas of what you can do. And most of the key features that you can find here, you can see them over here displayed. For example, image to video, you can upload an image and it's going to help you convert it into a video. You can do sketch rendering, AI image generator directly. You can generate images from text, and we have consistency rendering, upscaler, erase and replace. From an image, you can erase a section and replace with something else. And then we have image to video, of course. And then down here, we can click to see other AI tools, or you can always come over here to the AI tools and you can see all of the things that we have. For example, the sketch rendering, AI image generator, consistency rendering. Down here, we have other interesting ones, from photo to sketch. You can do photo to sketch. You can convert your photos directly into sketches. You can have creative fusions. And one other one that I kind of like is background removal. Fantastically, you can remove backgrounds and you can replace your backgrounds with something else. And then down here, you have the caricature generator. This one also, I really like it. You can give the description of what you have. The AI can help you to enhance it, and it's going to give you a fantastic caricature of any kind of person, be it a celebrity or someone else that you want to create. You can generate that. And then you have edit text and image. You can use this feature to edit the text in an image. So for this tutorial, this is going to be a bit long. So we're going to pick up at least 3 to 5 of these different features and see how we can explain them so that people can actually try on their own and see what you can do with it. So let's start with the AI image generator. Let's click on this. And then over here, all you need is just to give in the prompt, and this is going to generate the image for you. So let's say, okay, generate the image of a monkey riding a bicycle, but we can enhance it to the AI feature from here. So let's just give this a trial so that it can help us to enhance it. It gives you more details, okay? A photograph of a monkey riding a bicycle. The monkey is green and brown in color, wearing light green buttons and with black accents and so on. 2 orange handles on each handlebar, okay? There is a blue strap attached to the handlebar. There's much detail that it has added. And then down here, you have the option to choose from the available options. For example, the model, we use V2, the styling. You can choose from any available style from here, from photography to anime to 3D, depending on what you are interested in. But let's say we go with photography over here, and then we can go ahead and select anyone, okay, documentary photography, anyone interested. The scene, you can choose a scene of your choice. Let's keep it at default. The perspective, you can change the perspective, or you can choose from among the ones that you have seen. You can keep at default. Down here, we can select the ratio. Let's go with 16:9. The lighting effect, let's go with anyone, okay. Just to keep it simple, the number of images you can vary from here, and this is what it's going to cost you. So we can just go ahead and say generate, and let's give it some seconds to see what this is going to generate for us. So this is the first feature. Wow, and fantastically, you can see it has actually gotten what we have. Look at the image it has created, very clear, and it is riding the bicycle. It is having 2 colors, and look at what it has, very clear. The image is really nice and is very interesting. You can see the creation is really next level, and the monkey is really enjoying the bicycle in the bush. Okay, so much to do, but then you can go ahead and download this. If you want to download, you can just download it directly from here, and you can use the upscaler. if you want to upscale the image, but you can just download. This is just for downloading sake. If you want to edit, you can edit using all of these feature, and you can convert it to video as well. If you want to move from image to video, you can do that from here as well. Or you can save as an asset, or you can generate similar ones using the AI. We can help you to regenerate this again for this. But for now, let's try to see how we can actually move this from image to video, since we already have an image. So let's try to create a video out of it, right? So we're here, we can say let the monkey ride the bicycle, right? So let the monkey ride the bicycle. We can enhance it if you want. You can just click the enhance button, and it is going to help us to enhance the prompt that we have just given it. Alternatively, you can go to image to video. In that case, then you can add your video from here as well. So if you are okay with this, you can just go ahead and see generate, and let's see how much of the conversion is going to be from an image to a video. All right, so our video has just been created. Let's click to see what it has given us. You can see fantastically the monkey is really driving the bicycle and is moving neatly. You can see this is wonderfully created. So this is from image to video. We can see that it has really gotten the idea. The same thing, I've created this with an external image. I ask it to let the animals dance, and you can see they are really enjoying themselves. This is also created by me. And then this is another one that I've just created. It's a picture of a lion that I ask it to enable the lion to move and to show that it is enjoying the coffee that it is taking. And you can see it has gotten the movement. So much of the improvement. Like, you can also download this. If you're interested, you can just download it directly and add it to your content very, very easily. So the next thing is, let's go back to AI tools and let's see if we can have something that we can work with. Okay, let's do this photo to sketch, this one. And then we can upload our photo and we can directly convert it into a sketch. You can see sample ones of the images or photos that have been converted into sketches. And even myself, I have generated some photos that I have converted into sketches. You can see these ones, the photos I have generated. Even this lion was lying, you've just seen, enjoying the meal. This is its own conversion into a sketch that we have done with this particular feature. So we'll try to pick in something new so we can do an example again with this. So let's pick in another image. So let's say this is an image of me, and let's try to convert it into a sketch. Yeah, this is me. So let's see if we can convert this into a sketch, convert to sketch, and then we can enhance it also with the AI. It can give us more details as regards the kind of conversion we're going to give. Now you have the option to choose from the available styles. Which one do you want? You can go with this, or you can choose from anyone available you find here. The mode, you can choose the mode, outline or precise. I leave it at default. And then you can have negative comments, negative prompt, what you don't want included in the prompt, in the video or in the image, you can add from here. Once you have everything ready, you can come down here and click on generate. And let's see how fantastic this is going to convert this image of mine into a sketch. And wonderfully, you can see it has actually gotten it, and it has designed it. This is wonderful. This is wonderful, even though it doesn't look completely like me, but it got the idea. Everything is perfectly directly like me. So you can also download from here and you can share directly if you want, or you can convert this into a video as well. If you want to convert from sketch to video, it's also equally very easy to do. So that's another one. Let's try one more. You can come down here and see this caricature. I like it, so you click on it. Over here, you just give the prompt. I've just generated the one for Barack Obama, and we've seen the generation. Let's look at the generation from here. This generation was created by me just now. This is a caricature of Barack Obama. I've just given it, and you can see the AI directly picked Barack Obama and give us the caricature of him. If you want to generate for another one, another person, for example, let's say create the caricature of Steve Harvey. So let's try to enhance this with the AI so that it gives us a more detail of the prompt. And then down here, we can say 3 images, and then we can just go ahead and hit on create. So let's see how it is going to create the caricature of Steve Harvey, whether it is even going to pick in who is Harvey or not. Yeah, this is it. This is wonderfully created. This is Harvey. It looks like him actually, very much like him. And you can see this is really, really nice. It has created it. And you can see different version because he's a comedian. So they are able to pick in the image aside some other people, which I don't know exactly who they are. How you pick the image, I don't know actually, but it is really, really a good representation. So this is another way. We can try another feature, for example. Yeah, let's do background removal. Let's see whether it is going to help us to remove the background of an image. So once we're here, we can upload an image that has a background. For example, let's go in here. Okay, let's say this cat. Let's open. Let's see whether it is going to help us to remove the background of the cat directly. Okay, this is the cat. Let's see if it is going to help us to remove the background. You have options, the background. How do you want it? You want to replace with something like this or with just a transparent? Let it be transparent. And then we can go ahead and click on generate. With just one click, you can see it has just converted it into a transparent background, and you can download as well and use it for your content creation and put it anywhere you like. Okay, so basically there's so much to use on this. There's so much to this AI tool depending on what you're interested in. Is all we can have recently used hot ones that are people are consistently using, and then we have architecture, the ones that you can use to design different things. For example, if you want to have AI architecture generator, it can help you to design your house. You can design your own any kind of building, or you can come up with different kind of ideas for you to choose from. Scenario changer, exterior renovator. If you want to renovate, or interior remodeling, you can see it has just remodeled everything. And you can see this one, panorama generator. You can be able to see e-commerce, game anime, and so on. Avatars, you can create different kind of avatars, headshot generator, and so on. And you have the AI logo generator as well. You can just design, put in the prompt, and it is going to give you the logo. So please go ahead and explore and see what you can do with Prompt AI. It's a very fantastic tool that you can use and enhance your content creation or whatever you're doing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.